Hey there, Money Masters. It's your girl Izzy back with another episode of Money Matters Made Easy. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of risk management and investment. Now, I know that sounds like a mouthful, but stick with me, and I promise you'll come out the other side with a clear understanding of what it's all about. Let's start with an analogy. Imagine you're planning a road trip. You've got your destination in mind, your bags are packed, and you're ready to hit the road. But before you do, you need to consider the risks. What if you get a flat tire? What if you run out of gas? What if there's a detour? These are all potential risks that could derail your trip. Now, let's apply this to investing. Your destination is your financial goal, whether that's buying a house, retiring comfortably, or something else entirely. The road trip is your investment journey, and the risks are the potential pitfalls that could prevent you from reaching your goal. Just like you'd prepare for a road trip by packing a spare tire, filling up your gas tank, and checking the route for any potential detours, you need to prepare for your investment journey by managing your risks. This could mean diversifying your portfolio, setting aside an emergency fund, or adjusting your investment strategy based on market conditions. Diversification, for example, is like packing a spare tire. If one of your investments goes flat, you've got others to keep you moving forward. An emergency fund is like your gas tank. It's there to keep you going if you hit a rough patch. And adjusting your strategy based on market conditions is like checking for detours. You need to be flexible and ready to change course if necessary. But just like you can't eliminate all risks on a road trip, you can't eliminate all risks in investing. There's always a chance of a flat tire, running out of gas, or encountering a detour. The key is to manage these risks to the best of your ability, so they don't derail your journey. Risk management and investment isn't about avoiding risk altogether. It's about understanding the risks, preparing for them, and making informed decisions to keep your journey on track. It's about being proactive, not reactive. It's about taking control of your financial future, rather than leaving it to chance. So there you have it, Money Masters. That's risk management and investment in a nutshell. I hope this road trip analogy has helped you understand this complex topic a little better. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. And if you want to join me on more financial journeys, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Remember, the road to financial success may be long and full of risks, but with the right preparation and a little bit of guidance, you can navigate it with confidence. Until next time, keep mastering your money, and I'll see you on the road.